Welcome back to Bite Sized AI, the podcast that keeps the artificial intelligence news under 10 minutes so you can actually get on with your day. I am Michael.
And I am Randy. Fair, balanced, and ready with the facts.
Randy, let's start with a good news story. IKEA used artificial intelligence to handle many customer service questions, then retrained the workers instead of laying them off. Did that work for both the company and the employees?
Yes, it worked well. IKEA launched a chatbot named Billy. It now answers most routine questions like store hours, delivery, tracking, and simple returns. This freed up about 8,500 call center workers in many countries.
So, what did IKEA do with those workers instead of letting them go?
They spent 2 years retraining them. The workers became remote interior design consultants and more complex customer advisors. They learned three-dimensional room planning tools and video consultations. They also learned how to ask deeper questions a chatbot cannot handle well.
Did this new approach actually make money for IKEA?
Yes, the new remote design and sales channel has generated well over 1 billion euros in revenue. The workers kept their jobs and moved into higher value roles. It is a strong example of artificial intelligence upgrading jobs rather than simply cutting them.
Switching topics now. Salesforce and other companies are questioning heavy artificial intelligence use because of costs. What is happening with the token bills?
Tokens are the small pieces of text that models read and write. Even though the price per token has dropped, companies are finding the total bills are high. Agent-style work, long coding sessions, and multi-step reasoning use far more tokens than early demos showed.
How is Salesforce responding to these rising costs?
Salesforce has talked openly about right-sizing models. They are moving more tasks to cheaper or open-source models. They are also rebuilding parts of their Agentforce system so they do not rely on one expensive frontier model for everything.
Are other companies facing the same problem?
Yes, some companies burned through their entire annual artificial intelligence budget in just a few months. Others are now capping how much employees can spend or sending simple tasks to smaller models. The industry is learning that using the best model for every task is not sustainable.
I heard several companies signed an open source agreement. The chief executive of Palantir linked this to the high cost of Anthropic tokens. Is that correct?
It is close to correct. A group of companies, including NVIDIA, Microsoft, Meta, Palantir, IBM, and Hugging Face, signed a letter supporting open weight models. They say these models improve safety, speed innovation, and give companies more control at lower cost.
What exactly did Palantir's chief executive say about the costs?
Alex Karp was very direct. He said the pure token pricing model from the big closed laboratories has gone completely wrong. Companies see rising bills and also feel they are giving away valuable data and competitive advantage.
What does he recommend instead?
He argues that open weight models combined with strong application layers and own computing power can deliver frontier level results. This approach avoids runaway token costs and keeps control inside the company.
Final topic. Most pure artificial intelligence stocks have been limited or soft, yet Microsoft's stock has gone up. What is the difference?
Many pure artificial intelligence companies face questions about their valuations and when big spending will turn into steady profits. Microsoft just reported strong results. Azure growth is accelerating and artificial intelligence related revenue is already running at tens of billions of dollars a year.
So investors are reacting to actual revenue numbers?
Yes, Microsoft also has a large backlog of committed cloud spending. Investors see proof that the artificial intelligence investments are producing real growing revenue, not just higher spending. That combination has helped Microsoft stock stand out.
So the takeaways this week are clear. IKEA shows artificial intelligence can upgrade jobs, rising token costs are forcing smarter model choices, open models are gaining support, partly because of those costs, and Microsoft is showing that scale plus real results still matter.
Exactly. Artificial intelligence is moving from look what it can do to show me the economics and the human upside.
That is our bite for today. Thanks for listening to Bite Sized AI. We will be back next week with more clear eyed coverage.
Stay curious, stay balanced,